Do you want to see LA mayor house in 1905? Follow me. Hello everyone. Hello.
Hello.
Demo day. Today is a fun day. Something's about to happen. Transformation in about maybe 4 months. This house is it's gonna be 4 bedroom, 3 bath, about 2,500 square feet. And the cool thing about this house is it was built in 1905, and it was built for LA mayor. If you look at the ceiling, this is a 10-foot ceiling height, and keep in mind this was built in 1905. 10-foot ceiling, and if you look at where the ceiling and the wall meet, it's actually all curved, which is very unusual for a period of time. And most of the house, even this house right here, right next to it, it doesn't have a 10-foot ceiling and kind of curved to the corner, but this house does, which is very interesting. So I'm gonna walk you through. And this is the old fireplace from 1905. And it's actually, I don't know, before it was kind of small, huh? All plaster. Man, it's gonna be nice. Demo day is always gotta make me nervous because we don't know what we're gonna get when we open up everything. Man, look at the doors. The door from 120 years ago, all like solid wood, and it lasts 100 years, more than 100 years, and it's still standing. Look, doors now today, maybe a few years, all hollow, and look at all the trim. Amazing. And I want to show you guys this. Whoop. There's a lot of things you gotta block away. Look at this stove. This stove is also from 100 years ago. Man, 1905. And look at all the windows. All original windows. Alright, let's go upstairs. Look at this door. This door is 100 years ago, and it's still here. Look how tall it is. It's almost 110 inches, almost to the ceiling. Man, the mayor back then is also get a special treatment. And look at all the stair detail, all original, and I'm gonna keep that. I love the molding. So there's something we're gonna keep, but a lot of things we can't keep because this house gonna get a new layout, completely new layout. This used to be like the houses used to kind of end it right here, and right here it was a front porch. So this is the exterior window. Someone, maybe, I don't know, 20 or 30 years ago, decided to enclose the front porch. So they put all the window. You can see, this is aluminum window. This was popular in a period of like 70. Okay. Look at this. I don't know how it was, but basically this is more like an office. And they have this kind of sliding door, like pocket door to divide two area. Look at this, from 100 years ago. And this is a second fireplace at the house. I don't know why, but the fireplace back then is kind of tiny. Very tiny. But this does the job. This obviously is a new kitchen because, oh no, but this is an old stove. If you look at this brand, it's called O'Keefe and Merritt. Set it up. This is a very antique and kind of vintage ranch. Right, the hallway, the staircase, and this is another bedroom. And look at all the opening. Oh man, it's amazing, isn't it? All right, and here's a bonus part. I'm gonna take you to the third floor, which used to be an attic, but somewhere, sometime in the past 100 years, someone decided to kind of insulate this attic. It's like 500 square feet extra, like the bonus space. And the cool thing about this is you get the view of LA. The view of LA, look at that. It's beautiful. This house also get an alley, 2-car garage, and a storage. Massive. Total maybe about 600-700 square feet right here extra. And this is the front, you know. All right, that's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.